welcome back to another data live series. So we have another question, that is the richest customer wealth, who are joining us. I guess so they can just see the problem. The problem number is 1672. So they can just search on lead code. The problem is richest customer wealth. You need to find out the which customer has richest wealth or which customer is richest. कौन customer सबसे बड़ा, ऐसा बोल सकते हो तुम, पैसे वाला है, अमीर है, ठीक है, richest है. So you need to find out and understand the problem. Then explain me the problem. Don't tell me the solution first of all.
सर
हाँ जी.
1D एरे बना दो, रो वाइज ऐड करते चलो सारे कॉलम में जितनी भी वैल्यूज है. कस्टमर जीरो
पहले
कस्टमर
वो
के
तो
लिए
बताओ
जीरो रो
कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है.
प्रॉब्लम सर कि आईएथ कस्टमर के पास मतलब जो जीरो रो पे जो कस्टमर है उसके पास जीरो रो पे जितने भी एलिमेंट पड़े वो सब उसके बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे हैं. तो 1+2+3 6 उसके बैंक में पैसे हैं. फर्स्ट कस्टमर के लिए जो फर्स्ट रो पे एलिमेंट पड़े वो सारे उसके पैसे हैं.
Sir, we have two loops, and in the ith loop, we have two loops, I and j, and in the ith position, it's showing the person one amount of balance. We will iterate with like j in the for loop, and we will sum the problem. We will sum the ith position.
Okay.
Then we will check for the another ith position. If it will be greater than the I plus 1, yes sir, I plus 1, then we will return the ith position. Otherwise we will check for the next person account. If that will be greater, then we will return the next person balance.
Okay, cool, nice. So the problem statement is saying richest customer wealth, and you have given an two-dimension array. Okay, there's a matrix you have given. So let's say this kind of matrix you have given, the big matrix, and you have given this array that is a 1, 2, 3, and you have given this 3, 2, 1. Okay, इतनी भी बड़ी मैट्रिक्स नहीं थी ये, इतनी बड़ी मैंने बना ली. Okay, so let's say this is our array. Okay, now listen what very carefully. You have given this two-dimension array. Okay, not confuse, this is the one-dimension array, it is the two-dimension array. This is actually the rows and this is actually the columns. So ये तुम्हारी rows हैं, ये तुम्हारी columns हैं. Okay, तो अब क्या करना है? तुमको ये basically you have given this particular two-dimension array and this is saying कि you are given an m into n integer grid. This is a grid you have given accounts. Okay, where accounts of I and j. I and j is what? Accounts of I and j is what? I and j is nothing but is the amount of money the ith customer has the jth bank account. Means this is the one customer, this is the second customer, and jth is nothing but let's suppose I is this, so I is equals to 1, so that is nothing but the first customer का jth bank. So basically jth bank में इतनी rupees है. So basically this is the jth. So rows denoting the customers and jth denoting the bank account of that particular customer. So for I is equals to 0, if j is value 0, that means कि first customer का first bank. Then j is equals to 1, first customer का second bank. J is equals to 2, then first customer का third bank. So basically we are denoting the indexing from the 0. So what I will do, I will again check I is equals to 1, 2, 3. So what I will do, I will again check ki, okay, I is equals to 1, j is equals to 0. So I need to first of all do the summation of this particular accounts. Okay, or not say ka balance on this in particular banks. So let's say the first person having the balance in first bank is 1, then second bank in 2, then third bank is 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is how much? 6. Then 6 is the, what you say, let's suppose I'm not taking here 3 to 1. Let me take it here 3, 2 and 7. what will happen? Then I will be checking like 3 plus 2 plus 7. Set 12. So 12 rupees. Let's say that the second person having the balance in their account is 12. So I need to return the this particular 12 number. Okay, this is the, you can see na ki at customer wealth is the amount money they have all in their bank account. The richest customer is the customer that has the maximum wealth. So we have to return the how much maximum wealth. So which customer has the maximum. So kitni maximum wealth actually. So both the customer are considered the richest with a wealth 6 each. So return 6. So दोनों customer की wealth कितनी थी 60. That's why we are returning 6. अब let's see in this case. Okay. Let's take a second case. Second case is saying ki 1 5. This is 6. This is 10. And this is how much 8. So you are returning 10 because you need to at the end return the wealth, not the customer. Okay, you need to return actually the wealth, how much maximum wealth you get from this all kind of accounts. So you are saying that second customer is the richest with a health of 10. Oh, sorry, with a wealth of 10. So this is we are returning 10. This is the explanation you are giving. Is second customer is the richest customer. Okay, so you need to return the at the end 10. A very simple approach. I'm telling you that is a very simple approach. So what we will be doing, we will be implementing another for loop. So we will be implementing a 2 for loops. Okay. So what we will be doing, we will be implementing 2 for loops for I is equals to 0. Say I is less than is equals to let me wait a second, I plus plus. So कहाँ तक जाएगा? We will be iterating this particular first loop till, can anybody tell me? I is equals to 0
Sorry.
will go till
Rose length.
rows length. So that is nothing but
Yes,
the
sir.
which one? Accounts dot length, right? That is the accounts dot length. जो मुझको ये
Yes, sir.
that is the accounts dot length. So I like for I is equals to 0, a dot length or a size. Let me do it in a way. I is less than is equals to a dot size and I plus plus. Okay, cool. Then what you will be doing, you will take one another variable, that is the sum variable, because you need to do the sum. हम सबको पता है कैसे करते हैं sum. We have to initialize the one variable sum, and then what I will be doing, so let's suppose we have given this 1 2 3, then 4 2 1. Okay, so I is equals to 0, I is equals to 1. This is basically, you can say that the I is equals to 0, I is equals to 1, and this is the j. So let me just again initialize with this 0, 1 and 2. So basically j is here. So currently what I will be doing, I will start the j from again 0. Then I will be running the j till
row of
tell me the like a dot size tak.
no sir.
So what I will be writing?
1 minute, sir.
सर
a
आई की
of I dot size tak. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A of I dot.
इसके
Sir,
size
but
तक
sir,
get
in the
होंगे ना.
first iteration of for loop, why we are taking like I equal to sir a dot size? Sir, what will return a dot size?
Oh sorry,
It's
sorry,
2.
sorry, not equal to. Oh sorry, my bad. It's less than.
Okay, sir.
Because size is the last, sorry, my bad. J is less than a of I dot size. Okay, then what I will be doing, I will check here again. I will be calculating the sum here. So sum plus is equals to how much? A of I. अब यहाँ पे a ले रहा हूँ मैं, तुम nums ले सकते थे, but वो थोड़ा लिखने का रहता है स्पेस की वजह से. Then a of I and a of j. So I'm calculating the sum. So basically what will happen? J is equals to 0, I is equals to 0. So 1 will be there. Okay. Then what happens? J will increment. Then 1 plus 2. So of course 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. And 3 will assign to the sum variable. Sum will contain the 3. Then again J will increment. J is less than a dot size. Yes, J is less than a dot size. Then what will happen? Then again it will plus this and increment the sum, that is the 6. Then next time J will increment. J becomes 4. 4 is less than 4. No. So condition false. Then what will happen? Oh sorry, this condition false. Then what will happen? This loop will break. Then what you will be doing? You will be finding one thing. Up now, here is the thing. You are not finding the maximum value in simple array, in 1D array. You are finding the maximum value in 2D array. So it could be possible you have find the 6 rupees wealth of the first customer. अब it could be कि next customer would be, it could be happen ना कि next customer will have the greatest wealth as comparison to first person or first customer. हो सकता है कि नहीं? जरूर हो सकता है. So what I will be doing, I will be
Yes,
taking
sir.
again another variable, that is the super sum. I'm saying, like, not say super sum, let's say wealth. Or I will initialize this wealth variable with the max element. Or max or int max, sorry. I will increment with this int max. Okay. Then what I will do, I will again check it ki after ending this particular jth loop, I will be checking, implementing the max condition ki max function ki wealth और सम में से which one is greater, which one is max. So wealth, if wealth is max, then assign it into the wealth. Otherwise sum is max, then assign into the sum. And at the end, just return the wealth. So at the end, we need to return the wealth. I have written the whole code. ये code है. अब you can easily do it with the, like, I will give you the code of this problem into the class notes, but this is a very basic problem. That's why I want to just explain you this problem. This is a very, very basic problem to understand ki how this how its two-dimensional arrays works, because this is very important for you to understand two-dimensional array basic fundamentals, basic working. Ki what is the multiplication of two matrices, what is the addition of two matrices, how can you add two matrices while using some kind of conditions. It could be anything, कुछ भी हो सकती है वो कंडीशन. तुम्हें लगता है कि अच्छा इनको दोनों को प्लस करना है तो इस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन को फॉलो करो. सो वो डिफरेंट टाइप के तो मैट्रिक्स के क्वेश्चंस जो बेसिक्स होते हैं वो सॉल्व कर सकते हो. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट यू कुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके हाउ वी हैव टू रन दिस टू लूप. मैट्रिक्स में पता है पूरा खेल इन दो लूप्स का होता है. अगर तुमको ये पता है कि लूप कहाँ से चलाने और कहाँ रोकने हैं, देन यू वुड बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट द सोल्यूशन, बिकॉज अंडर द साइड ऑफ कंडीशंस that I don't think so that it would take so much time. The main thing is कि हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, कहाँ तक जाएंगे, और हर इटरेशन पर हम क्या एक्शन ले रहे होंगे. तो वो एक्शन दैट इज नथिंग बट दिस कंडीशन. अगर तुमने ऐसे सोचा मैट्रिक्स को, तो देन यू वुड बी एबल टू फाइंड द बेटर सोल्यूशन लिटरली. So I would provide you the notes, I would provide you the code of the form into the notes. If you want to access that, then you can access. Okay. So that's it for today.